A big hello and welcome to all the Planner Moms, Glam Moms and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well, and I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I'm coming on to you with my Simply Gilded December box. I know it's February, however it takes a lot of time, especially during December was the holiday season. That's why it took a little longer. Otherwise mostly within a month I mostly receive the boxes. So these are, no matter what, the best thing about Simply Gilded subscription boxes, they are not like, based on season or what is happening. It's more of you can use it year around. So I love my Simply Gilded box. This is the December box. It's called Growth. This time I wanted to show you the box and unbox it in front of you, but I will still have the swatches at the end. I think YouTube has many videos already about this, but if still you are interested to see what is inside, continue watching. And the best thing about now Simply Gilded, many of the subscription box goodies are still available in her site throughout. It's not only for the subscription people, it can be for everybody. So there are still some washi and items still available in her site, so you can still use it. So this is how the box comes like. It has a nice gold foil. There's a plant, and then again you can see there's a beautiful another plant here, and it's called Growth. And I think this is a perfect box because investing in yourself in any form is the best thing, and when you invest, it's you reap the benefits of it. So when you open the box, this is how all the goodies are in. Most of the time I've always removed the box, everything from the box, but this time I really wanted to do it in front of you. Look at the foiling at that, and it also has the volume. That is the volume 38. I started in July, was my first box of this year, and I've not missed any boxes. So this is basically the December 2020, the menu card in which she talks about what are the items that you will be getting. There's a foil journaling card, designer washi tape, deluxe sticker kit, mini leather album, B6 stitched, sleek engraved gelling pen, charm, Key FOB, vellum and acetate sheets, vellum and leafy sticky notes, and mystery item. Most of my videos will be coming on Thursday or Friday from coming February. However, if I have something like subscription box coming, because I still have my January also, I will put it on a Wednesday, which is a washi Wednesday. So just keep the notification on if you're subscribed to my channel, so you don't miss out, because many of the things I'm still waiting from my November, because we live very far. So let me begin with my favorite item from this box. That is the sticker book. I love it because I have so many stickers. I can use it in so many ways. This is how it's a beautiful pink. I love it's like a bubble gum pink, and it has a gold gold button to open it. And then inside is this beautiful mint green. I love this green, this is the most beautiful green. And then you have enough stickers. Her qualities are amazing, and I'm so happy that I received it. I'm still waiting for her anniversary box from her during her anniversary sale, that the haul from that. So this is the first item. The other item, it looks like this. This is a beautiful keychain, and I love keychain. You can use it as for charm or anything, and they are very good quality keychains. I mostly decorate my boxes. I decorate my office with it, but in future I can use it for key also, because I have a key card for my room, so we don't use keys here. And this is a small bow and a beautiful like a plant leaf, and you can also put it in your planner as a charm also. So it's a very multi-use thing. I can use it in my B6 as a charm as well. All right, so it also comes with this leaf kind of sticky note. This is how it looks like, yeah, and it's the transparent kind of sticky note. So when you put it on top of something, for example, I put it on top of this, I can still see what's written under it. Yeah, I can still see what's under it. So it's these transparent sticky notes, and I think you can write with the micro perm she had given in her previous box. So this is one more thing. Also it comes with this sticker kit. I'll show you later. So first I'll show you the vellum and the acetate. Before I was not much happy about this. I mean, I didn't know how to use it, but now I really, from the time I have been using it, you can use it for craft, you can use it for dashboard. There are so many ways, and I love these extra papers that we get. And see, this is the acetate that comes with this. Again, you can see this gold foil, the green leaves. Also it comes with the vellum. This is how it looks like. Again, all are B6 size. And then also, if you don't need any, you don't have any planner and all, her monthly subscription box will set you for, you have the pen, you have the washi, you have the sticker, and you also have the B6 notebook. You don't need anything additional, but you know how many I have. Yeah, so this is a beautiful design as well. I love the black and white. So you can always laminate your dashboards and so on. So this was another thing that we received. Next is the B6 notebook. So alright, this is how her B6 notebook looks like. Yeah, and this time it's dot grid, my favorite. It's called Glow Up, and it has this, again, this same sticky note plant. Our B6 notebooks can be used for many various purposes. I have kept it. I'm going to stack them all and maybe give a couple of them to my niece and nephews when I meet them, and to my mom, so they can do some writing and journaling of their own. And I think it sets you up for a month. You know, if you don't have anything of Simply Gilded, I think start with the subscription box. It's always a good investment. For the items that you get, the price is very right. So now this is the sticker that you get, and I love these because I use it for my memory planning. Most of the sticker kits I'm using now for memory planning. So it comes with these green kind of icons, heart basic icons. It also comes with this heart icon dates, and with foil, gold foil. Comes with all the half boxes and the full box and some deco here of beautiful plant. Again, these are the check boxes in heart form. All boxes comes with a seal. Now she's also doing subscription for, like, you know, if you want to only get the stickers and washi, but I think I find it more expensive than getting the box because of 2 separate shipping. I would rather have everything shipped one time. And here are all the beautiful bows, again gold foiled. These now we have 2 months from January. I think we have 3, so we can use these for 3 weeks, you know. So I love that part of it also. And now from now, as I mentioned last haul, I am trying to save, so only these Sibilla Beautiful, and this is the subscription box, and on and off I'll buy some stickers, and I'm set because I already have my planner piece. I got enough planners for myself, the ones that I needed. And see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, memory planning is something new which I'm trying, so I might try some foil kits and stuff like that. So again, there's a full box here, again some checked checklist, and again these beautiful bows, tiny bows, all meeting appointment, washi Wednesday, and then so on. And finally, this is the another sheet. Again, it has the same pattern, full boxes, again some bow. These are, I'm not sure, bow flags. Yeah, bow flags. I'm saying these are some flags, smaller flags. Then today, remember to buy. And again, you can see some beautiful deco from there as well. Yeah, so these are all the sticker sheets that you get for all of this. Also, I'm going to show the mystery item because I think it's by now everybody would have received. She always really reveals whatever she has. So if you want to cancel the box, you have enough time. You need to do it for 2 months for sure when you subscribe for the first time. After that, you can cancel any time. But she also does a reveal except the mystery item. So this month's mystery item was some of the overlays and foil. I'm so excited about that. So there's this you can see this gold foiled, and these are all full boxes. So foil means if you have a matte sticker, you can just put this on top of it and it will have a foil. So this is the foil that comes with one, and then this is some pink foil with this like a star kind of a thing, you know. Yeah, you can also see this like a stars. So this is the pink one, and it also comes with these growth sticker leaves. Also, these are foil decos. So these are the some extra stickers we got. Now let me show you the pen. And so this is how all of washi comes this with this pack. I keep this pack so in case I want to gift somebody, I can always put stuff in it. And they're good quality pack, yeah. And also it comes with the journaling card, and every kit has a pen that comes with it. So this time first the journaling card, you can see how pretty. Again, it is the gold foil. It's at the back, and you see how pretty it has this juniper, all the plants there. Yeah, if you know, I'm also a plant mom. One of my babies are here. One of my babies are here right now. Yeah, and then it's quite nice to have plants in your home. You take care of them, and it's a miracle, you know, your kids, when they see how you take care of the plant just with a little water and sunshine, and you can really help them. These are all indoor plants that I have because you know, since here we do not have a balcony, but I'm excited once I move out. We are moving out in April. We'll have a balcony, so I'm going to have a lot of house plants and water them and take care of them, and my daughter will help me. I'm so excited about that, honestly. Some of my subscribers have asked to show, like, you know, have a vlog when I'm doing, so I might do a vlog about my where I'm living, the hotel apartment where I'm living. I might have a vlog soon in my channel, so you can see how homes are in Qatar. It's a beautiful country. I love this country. I love Middle East. I've lived almost 8 years in Dubai, and now almost 2 years in Qatar, so almost 10 years. And I love Qatar, and I've lived in US and Switzerland as well. So this is the pen that comes with it. Again, it's a ombre of this pink and green. Anywhere pink is good for me, and it comes with a nib. Yeah, and this is how the pen looks like, maybe. All right. These are all the beautiful washies that came this time. I'm definitely going to open it and swatch it so you guys can see how they look like. But quickly I'll show you how it looks like. So this comes in the normal kit. When you order, you will get all of these washies, and these are in her site right now. They will come in the kit, and if you do an add-on, so this is, so for 36 you would definitely get all of these items, yeah, which is very cheap. For $36, getting all of this is quite good, plus of course shipping. And I have no customs, so that's the good news here. This is one washi. This is again the leaf pattern one with the gold line. This is the silver one with the, again, the same print. I love this plant washi, yeah, with all the plants with the gold foiling. And this is the kit. This is the 4 or 5 mm one, 5 mm, and you can see there's an Aurora pink here as well. I'm waiting for my Aurora pink, the whole thing to come, so I will show you guys how pretty it is. Okay, let me quickly open it and swatch it for you. This is how they look once they are all opened. You can see the Aurora pink. I'm talking about the pink here. There is also in this the thin line in the bow. In this washi it also has Aurora pink. Amazing foiling as always. Amazing, like the whole bundle itself is so cute. It's still available, but definitely if you buy subscription box, it's always cheaper than if you buy them separately when they are on the in the shop. Yeah, so like let's look at them closely. This is the green one, the checking one, the Aurora pink, the other one, the plant, and these are the four additional that you get with this beautiful pink, Aurora pink. All right, thank you so much for watching, and if you have stayed all the way till here, please consider subscribing. Subscription is free for you guys, and it will mean a lot to me. And thank you once again for your taking the time to watch this. I wish you all a wonderful day, afternoon and evening. Take care.